Drop that down.
Do I have Oreo in my teeth?
Just a big one, right in the middle.
Where am I? Up, down?
Near your face.
There you go. Just cover your face. There you go.
Okay, we're not. Is this recording?
No, you're good. You're good.
Okay, good.
There we go.
Aren't you colorblind? I don't even know what that means. Am I allowed to move? And I'm like, hey, Carl. He's like, hey, Allie. And I'm just like, what you doing? And then, does this color card make me look fat? Did you like it? I can see your scalp. Never mind. Can I have another Oreo? No. Hey, I'm in the police beat! Alright! 1, 2.
Louder.
Do I have to sound like Mark? Oh my gosh! Tell me when you're ready. Are you ready? How's the audio levels?
A little louder. If you could just start.
How's the audio levels? Well, it's Tuesday, which means... And then the other muffin looks to the other muffin and says, talking muffin! And I'm like, wow, that was a 45-minute date. It was weird. But I had time to do laundry afterwards. No one's watching this, right? No one should be watching this. Jimmer's brother single? I've been working on my Morse code. Cute. Can I put this on my resume, though? Can I put I held the color cards. I'm so confused. I have to listen to Mark for an hour? Like a whole hour?